Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to download videos from Google Drive. So if you also want to download videos from Google Drive, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Drive application. Or you can also open Google Drive in the browser. All you have to do is open Google Chrome. After that, tap on the search bar. Now type in drive.google.com. After that, Google Drive will be opened. If you have opened the application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for home, start, shared and files. Simply tap on the interface from which you want to download the video. If you have created the folder, simply tap on that folder. Now you'll be able to see the videos. Identify the video that you want to download. Right below the video, you'll be able to see 3 dots. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see several options. You'll be able to see the option for share, manage access, add to start, make offline available, copy link, make a copy, etc. Scroll down, find the option for download, tap on it. Now wait for a while. You can see the notification for details. Now simply go to your downloads, open up files. Go to downloads. Now here you can see that video has been downloaded. You can also tap on it and play it. You'll be able to play that video. So that is how you download videos from Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.